Begin by opening the engine lid by using the switch beside the driver's seat, indicated by the red arrow. Lift up the engine lid. Remove the metal ring inside the center air snorkel red arrow. It sits inside the top of the rubber bellows and is held in place by a nub red arrow that connects it to the bellows. Do not lose this ring and make sure to reinstall it when putting everything back together. Using your hands, lift the centerpiece up and off. The snorkel will stay in place. The trim piece is held in place by 4 tabs on each side, red arrows, that sit in rubber grommets in the fans. There are 2 fans, red arrows, and 2 electrical connections, blue arrows. The electrical connections are mounted to the side of the snorkel, but this area gets very hot and these clips and connections can fail. One of ours lost its purchase and was sitting down in the engine. The fans have 3 plastic nubs that sit in the rubber grommets in the engine compartment. Lift the fan up and out from the lower grommets first, red arrows, and then slide it back and out from the top one, blue arrow. You can see here that the mounting clips for the electrical connectors has failed, green arrow. With the fans out, check and make sure the rubber grommets for the engine trim panel are there. One of ours was missing. If your electrical connections are in place, you can simply press down on the tab and separate the electrical connection, blue arrow. We pulled the wiring harness out and replaced the failing clip, red arrow. Use care with these tabs as they get very dry and brittle. Now remove the electrical connections from the mounts by pressing down on the tab and sliding it off, red arrow. You are going to remove the air snorkel. We have removed the wing to give you a better view of what you will be doing, but you do not need to remove the wing. Lift the snorkel up and off the 2 rubber mounts in the chassis, red arrows. It will come out from the plastic fittings on the air box, blue arrows. With everything out of the way, the Y-pipe map sensor is located under the air intake snorkel before the flex hose for the throttle body, red arrow. Press down on the tab and separate the electrical connector, red arrow. Use a T25 torque and remove the single screw holding the sensor in place. Lift it straight up and out. There is a small O-ring that seals the sensor to the pipe. Porsche recommends and Pelican uses Porsche synthetic gasket lubricant on this O-ring before installation. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.